He likes that.
Don't forget to get around the collar.
Yeah, I got you. Make sure I don't get in there by the drama. It's all back here where it is, though. You done? How about you? Want it?
Fred has still got a lot left.
Well, most of it's off. Hey! Okay. Go! Ah! Get here. Got it. Bless you. Did it really record, Kimmy?
It's still going.
It's so fun. Okay, good.
He's got a big one on his tail.
What happened? What did I do to you? What did I